So the Cotswolds have been on my list for a very long time. When you hear of the Cotswolds, this is what you think of. And right behind me is Shakespeare's House.
So we're rowing this boat.
Oh man!
And you left it, so...
Hello everyone, I am Lewis, you are watching Lost in Travel, and welcome on here to the second part in my Oxford, or you could say, in my throwing the dart at the UK map series. Which then I guess it makes it the third part. Oh well, I have totally butchered this intro, but we are getting things started with a very important day trip. Let me take you to where we are heading today.
There's no words to show you how. No song that's come from David's crown. I'll take my soul, pour it out at your feet.
So welcome on here to the Cotswolds everyone. We're here at the capital of the Cotswolds. This is Stratford. I can't pronounce French, you already know that. But this place is magical. This is St. John's Baptist Church. A church has been in use for over 1,000 years. That is so incredible. It was built with Cotswold stone. Didn't even know they had their own stone. But it is great to be here. It's very quiet. I think England is back at work and stuff. So we've got this whole place to ourselves. Look, there's Luke just dancing in the background. But epic. Can't wait to get this day started. We're seeing loads of architectural beauty here in England. So I've just came out into like this random like it's not very looked after. It's just loads of like wild plants. But you know, you gotta do this kind of stuff if you want the perfect shot. Well, I thought it would be a perfect shot. There's some trees in the way. Oh well. So the Cotswolds have been on my list for a very long time. Like when I think of England, I think of these cute little villages with very nice cottages, because Cotswolds always comes up on my Instagram feed and it's just amazing to be here. The architecture, just the cute little cobbled streets. This place is well worth a trip, and I've only really been in it for like 15 minutes. I can't wait to see more, I really can't. I understand that's meant to be a rabbit, but what is that thing? No idea. So I'm currently walking down Cirencester Park and it doesn't look like it ever ends. Wait until I show you what I'm looking at right now. This is all going to be a long walk. Wow. So welcome on here to Castle Combe everyone. When you hear of the Cotswolds, this is what you think of.
Put you before me till the end of time, but until then, till my last breath rolls in, oh, I am yours, you are mine.
So guys, I don't think this is hyperbole when I say Castle Combe may be the quaintest village I have been to. It reminds me a lot of Culross back at home. Of course, there's a lot of comparisons to Scotland and England and their countryside, but it's such a charming village, and definitely one if you're ever around the Cotswold area to come to. So this right in front of me is the traditional view that people would come and get shots off. Luckily, there's no one about. When I came here, there was lots of people just waddling over this bridge, but I've got the bridge all to myself right now, apart from that car coming in and ruining the view. But so incredible. So good morning from our final day here in Oxford. I've got to be at the airport, Birmingham Airport. Eek. It's fine. It was actually pretty nice in the airport from what I've seen so far. But I'm going to be there for 7 PM tonight. My flight is about 9:10. So I think we're going to head into a couple of things today. We stopped the Cotswold trip early just because it was a lot of travelling for Luke to drive. I don't think he's done much long distance in his car before. So we go through a few places and it just means I'm a bit more eager to get back there and see some more. At least I saw the traditional place with Castle Combe, and then of course the capital with Cirencester. Is that really pronounce it? Oh, I'm really bad at pronouncing things. But anyways, it's the final day. I think we're going to go to Stratford-Upon-Avon today, and I'll see yous with some more juicy content. And I hope you've been enjoying the series so far. I've just been having a more chilled time with Luke, but it's been really, really fun, and I definitely consider you come and check out Oxford, come and check out the Cotswolds, and plan your trip to England. It's actually a really nice place. See you later, Premier Ren. It's been an honour.
I'd take the long way home if it meant I'd go walking by your door. Together we could see where the road will lead.
So welcome to Stratford-Upon-Avon, everyone. We've just arrived, and right behind me is Shakespeare's House. This place is very remarkable because it is the birthplace of William Shakespeare. So for a dramatist like myself who is studying theatre, of course, in university, it is incredible to be here at someone who made theatre a very significant part of British history. We're not going to the birthplace because it's rather expensive, but it's nice to be able to say I have seen Shakespeare's House. Now tell me what your favourite Shakespeare is in the comments below. Mine says Merchant of Venice. Always Edinburgh, Woolham, always never in Edinburgh. It's strange that these old 15th century buildings still look commonplace and fit with the general theme of this high street. What an epic look at the shop, very European. That is a lot of swans. This may be the most amount of geese and swans I've seen in my entire life. Have I ever told you I've been chased by geese? I'm not a fan, but better watch out, they might come after me. Oh, I believe in you.
So we're rowing this boat. It's a lot of effort. I keep going left or right. I don't know the right way to go. I kind of regret it a little. Guys.
So last time you saw me, I was not on water, but we've discovered that the best way to see Stratford-Upon-Avon, as you can see, I'm doing a lot of work right now.
I was young when I set out. I can hardly remember all the tales that I could tell you. If I only could remember in the fog, it is drumming in the new world is coming. Oh, this song I will be humming when the words won't come out. And on a slow boat to China I will be in the sea. When we get there we will see what will be. On a slow boat to China I will be, and we will see when we get there what will be.
Thanks, Lewis. That helps a lot.
All part of the fun. Guess this lovely cruise is a great way to end the trip. To think it's only £7 for an hour as well, it's really nice. Behind you, man. Behind you, man. Behind you. Oi! Oh man. Here you go, you've got this.
And you left it, so
Ta-ta, man.
ta-ta. Is that legal in Scotland?
Wait,
Handshake's legal in Scotland?
how do you say it's illegal in Scotland?
Yeah. Because of COVID?
Oh, you got an elbow still? No, you don't really. No, you don't. Elbow doesn't do nothing. You sneeze into your elbow, that's pointless. Anyways, man, I guess
Adios.
Oh,
It's been a pleasure.
I'm gonna miss you, man.
At this point in time. Well, it won't be long. We'll see you in Edinburgh.
Yeah, you better come out, you better. And I am back in Scotland. Thank you all for joining me on this series. I really enjoyed the concept of throwing a dart, seeing where it lands in the UK, and travelling out there, and I can now officially say I managed to do it, and I got back fairly safely. At the security in Birmingham though, they did think my hairbrush was a knife when I was going through, so that was a bit hectic, and they assumed I was a terrorist, so that was not fun. But I'm still allowed back. So that means we can move on to whatever series are going to be coming next. Anyway guys, thank you all for joining me. If you want to go check out Oxford, I highly recommend taking a trip out there and doing so. Same with the Cotswolds. Same with Stratford-Upon-Avon. Everything I done on this trip was very, very glorious indeed, and I think you guys will have a great time just like me and Luke did. If you haven't checked out any of Luke's social medias or his YouTube, most importantly, please check the description below where I will have everything linked to all his accounts. It was great to finally meet him, and next time, Luke, you've got to come up and see Claymore country, you know, the best country in the UK. Wink, wink, wink. I will see you all with the next video. Please smash the like button if you did enjoy this series. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, so you do definitely get to see the next video from me, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye everyone. See ya.
Why can't we be friends? If it's so much easier before we got our feelings hurt, and I can't pretend that it's easy. Why